Community is rallying around an Oakland County Sheriff's deputy who was hit by a car while out on patrol.
He works as a school liaison deputy at Rochester Adams High School.
Glenda Lewis is here now to tell us about the outpouring of support his family is receiving tonight. Glenda?
Carolyn, Stephen, he's still in ICU fighting to survive, but there have been some encouraging signs from the hospital bed of a 17-year Oakland County Sheriff's deputy, and an incredible show of support from a community who showed up to show how much they care.
A signing board lying on the table said, "You got this," but it was easy to see exactly what veteran Oakland County Sheriff's Deputy David Hack has: a whole lot of love and support.
I just don't have any words to say how I feel about it.
Big brother Richard left speechless by the number of people filling this Waterford Buffalo Wild Wings restaurant all day for a meal that will help make life easier for Hack's family as the deputy continues to fight for his life in the Crittenton Hospital ICU.
The people have just stepped up to help my brother and his family out tremendously.
The 49-year-old Rochester Adams High School liaison deputy was on Tinkin Road January 4th handling a car accident when a 24-year-old woman on the way to Oakland University slammed into him. Deputy Hack has been fighting for his life ever since. Hack's wife, Christine, updated friends and family on his progress with this Facebook post today, showing Dave smiling while floating in an annual family event. She wrote in part, "He continues to make little improvements every day that make us and the doctors feel that a full recovery is a real possibility. Last night, he was responding to commands to move his hands and feet and reached out and grabbed my hand and would not let go. We also were able to look into each other's eyes for a short period of time."
And part of the proceeds from each meal tonight will help Hack's family with the expense of his recovery. Oakland County Sheriff's Department telling us tonight there's still been no announcement on whether any citation, charges, or even an arrest will come for that 24-year-old woman.
Still got to make that family feel so good that they're doing so much to at least help them out. Glenda, good to see from the community. Thank you for the live report.